were hit squarely between the eyes in terms of the economic downturn. Yellow metal prices fell through the floor. The funding environment became very difficult. Equally, the company scored several own goals. Maintenance on plant was not up to scratch. The buying of plant wasn't very good. Relationships with our customers wasn't very good. So on all fronts, we had some challenges. Staff morale was down, and we were really going through a tough time. We were finding it very difficult to get cash, to borrow money, etc., to replace our plant. And as a result of that, we came up against it. Also, in conjunction with that, the construction sector was under pressure. So the challenge we faced was, how do we deal with that? And first and foremost was to make sure that we got the people on our side. And whilst we had some really good people in the organization, we really needed to bolster the management team. We really focused on the technical aspects of the business. We focused on selling off all the plant that wasn't of much use to us. And we had to really, close our eyes and sell plant at prices that we wouldn't have typically done that to generate cash. We also then focused on maintenance, putting maintenance structures in place, preventative maintenance, forecasting, predicting the future, looking to where we were going. We also really had to re-establish our relationships with our staff and our customers, and we set about that through a program of good communication and some tough negotiations with customers. And right-sizing the business, walking away from certain business, focusing hard on getting our prices right in the marketplace, and focusing on customer service in an environment where we really wanted to uphold our high safety standards. So taking that into account, slowly but surely we started seeing the benefits of that coming through, and bolstered by a buoyant coal mining environment and general mining environment and surface mining. Things have been going quite well. And when I say quite well, we really have turned the corner on the mining environment, and at the same time we've met all our expectations in the past year of managing to sell off the businesses that we saw as non-core. The critical aspect for us around staff was to make sure that people were trained adequately, and we put a huge focus on training, both technical training as well as operator training, right, to get our utilization up, which was a major problem. And slowly but surely our availabilities of equipment improved and our utilization improved, which has made a huge difference in the organization. We also managed to start the banks, after a successful rights offer, the banks started to have a bit more interest in us, and we were able to borrow, and we've been fortunate enough to be able to spend a large amount of money in the last couple of years on new capital equipment, which has made a difference as well.